Have you ever pulled lettuce or celery out of the fridge only to find it limp and lifeless? Do not toss it out just yet. Today, I will show you a couple of simple kitchen hacks to bring those veggies back to life. And even a fun way to make decorative celery curls. First, let us start with lettuce. To refresh limp lettuce, place it in a bowl of cold water. Add a few ice cubes and a squeeze of lemon juice. Then pop it in the refrigerator for about an hour. The cold water rehydrates the leaves, while the lemon helps crisp them up again. Another trick is to place the lettuce in a pan of cold water and add a few slices of raw potato. This works surprisingly well, and you will notice your lettuce regain its crunch. And guess what? This hack works for celery too. Speaking of celery, here is a clever presentation idea: celery curls. Along its length, cut celery into 5-inch long strips, about 12.5 centimeters, and slice them into thin slivers, making sure not to cut all the way down to the end. Drop them into ice water for around half an hour, and they'll curl beautifully, perfect for garnishes or party platters. Here is a bonus tip. To keep lettuce fresh longer, wrap it in a slightly damp paper towel and store it in a resealable bag. This helps maintain moisture without making it soggy. And there you have it. Quick, easy, and effective ways to revive limp lettuce and celery, plus a little kitchen magic with celery curls. Give these hacks a try and keep your veggies fresh and fun.